Hi, I'm Glam Dasgir. In this video, we will use some basics of Excel, which you should must know when you work in Excel. So there are first we start from cell. What is this cell? Cell have two states, that is active state, and if we double click it, then this will be in active state. When this will be in active state, we cannot work with this, but we can work like we can bold text, F2 short key to edit the cell. You can bold, italic, underline, or change the font style, or change the font size. Here you can also increase the font size or decrease, or you can color it. But in edit state, you won't work with alignment or any other option, or you can find it or replace text, like if you want to replace gh with d or any other word, you can replace it. But in edit state, you cannot work with other options. Hope you understand that. If you want to work these, your cell should not be in edit state. So when we enter, when we press enter on a cell, it go to done. I will tell you later that if you want to on press enter, you want your cursor in next column. So if you want to replace these words with another word, you don't need to edit it, like double click, then select text, then write something other. No need to do this. You just click on it like this. The cell is in only in active state, not in edit state. You just write what you want to write. The words will be replaced with. Then here is another basic thing, that is a cell address. Every cell have address like 9 row and I column, like this I9. And what if I press on this? It is E6. When I take cursor on this, it showing a box with the name box. Like we can also name some cells together or by separate, like this. I just name these whole cells with values and press enter. And when I select these, value is highlighted. When I click on one cell, it's showing nothing. I want, when I click on this, it show 23. It's give you error because we can put only string if we want to name some cell. Like we can name it 23, so it's accepted. So we can not only name it, we can also sum these by calling with names like values. The name is showing here. Just double click it and press enter. Here you see when I enter values it selected these 5 cells because we name these cells with values. The cut copy paste, you can familiar with these. And what is format painter? Format painter, these cells are not formatted and these cells are formatted. Formatting means you can bold, italic, underline or color the cell or fill it with some color, and you don't want to select again and again bold, italic, underline and fill cell and color text. You just press on the cell, then double click on the cell and select what cell you want to format. Then you can press escape or again click on this. And yeah, what is next? Next is mm, I think it's you can familiar with these font style, font size, font color, and this is used to fill and this is used to color text. Like this, we want to give it another color, black, and it show. And this is for border. If I just select and select bottom border will be give a border at the bottom of the cell, and same top, left, right, no border is used to finish or remove the border. And all border mean whole border, bottom, top, left, right at the same time, like this. And this cell is have now border. You can select multiple cells at a time, then press on this. You can also use another option, like I want to thick border from the sides of the all cells, then a thin border between the cell, then select these and go to bottom, select more borders, and here is a different border style which you can select to apply at your cells. Like I want to apply this between the cells and a thick border at this side, and then this style at right side, and then another style at this, then another style at bottom, and press OK. And you can also give it different colors, like blue. I want to give it blue, then press OK. And here is a different cell styles. You can zoom it from the bottom. And what is this alignment? This alignment is a cell alignment. Like I want to show this dasgi at the center of the cell. I just press on this. This is a cell alignment up, down and center. And these are alignment like left, right. This is left, then this is center, then this is right. And what is it? This is used to here you see this change the orientation of the text. Here you can add different degrees. And what is wrap text? Wrap text is used like if any cell have a lot of text like how are you, and you are watching that this cell is coming in another cell like how are you is touching to D cell and line has removed, and you want that you have you select the cell size less and you want these text show in one cell, then press wrap text, and here you hope you understand this. And what is merge and center? Mostly when we use heading like serial number, name, son of, and address. Now I give another heading like customer information. Bold and italic. Then I want that this must be in center of these cells like heading. Then I select the all cells, E to H, then press on merge, and this is showing like this. And then there is another option like different format of a cell. I will discuss it later. If I have some value in a cell, and you watching this, it's showing me E plus 11, and here is showing the all value that I have in a cell. If I press on this and press on number, it show me the correct value, and you watching that it's showing me 2 zeros after the decimal point. You can decrease it from here or you can increase it from here. Suppose you have a value like 3.456 and you want to finish the roundabout point, then you just here decrease decimal this, and here it will show you a full value, but here it will show you without decimal value. And why we use commas? Commas is used for separating the values like thousands, millions, billions, trillions, etc. And why is here currency values? Currency values is used for like I want to show that not as values but as currencies, then press on dollar, it will show you like this. You can also choose another currency like Chinese, Euro, or etc. Conditional formatting is a very useful, but we will discuss it later. Mm, insert cell. Insert cell is used to insert cell. Mm, suppose you want to add another cell up to the 3. Mostly I use short keys, not I use this. For short keys use control plus key and then enter. If you want to remove that key, remove that cell, you can press control minus key, then press enter. What is formatting is row height, auto fit row, column width, and etc. Don't need to use it from the, you can just resize it from here. When you click on the line at the center of two cells, when cursor is changes to two-headed, then press mouse key, then you can drag it anywhere what size you want. And if you want to change the row size, then same, you have to select when cursor changes to two-headed. What is fill? Fill mean I don't use fill also from here. I use it with short keys like 2 and 3, and I want to fill same 23 in selected cells, then press Ctrl and D, Ctrl plus D key to fill the series to down. And if you want to fill the series to right, you just have to press Ctrl R. And there is not any short key to fill back or fill up, but you can fill it from here like this and press up and then to back, fill and left. Here it is shown. And then what is series? Series mean like continuous values increasing like 1, 2. You can just have to select 2, then you can drag it with mouse. If you select it from here, it will be go to right like series. Then step value mean increment value, and then to stop value like I want from 1 to 10, then press OK. Here it is showing 1 to 10 series. Clear. What is clear? Clear all will clear the selected cells. This is scale. You can also delete, just select and delete the cells by pressing delete on keyboard. And what is clear format? Clear format is used to clear the all formatting that we do with the cell. Like I format the cells like bold, italic, underline, then fill these cells. It will clear all. Clear format. Here it is showing. clear all. And clear content, same option, like it will delete the cells. And clear comment, if we added any comment to a cell, it will clear the comment. What is sort? Sort is used for sorting our value, like this at 23, and I added here 40, I added here 50, then added here 33, then added here 56, and 1, 2. Suppose we want to sort these values, you just have to select that, then go to here, then select sort smallest to largest, and it will ask for expand the selection. Why it is asking? It is asking because it have values around these, like this, then this, and this will also, this will not sorted, but the cell which changes the row up to down, like select expand the selection, then press sort. Here it is, these values were in 40, but it was showing here, but now it's showing here because we select expand the selection, then select again and select sort largest to smallest, then it asking again for expand the selection. Now don't select expand the selection, select another option like continue with current selection, then press sort. Here you can notice that these values were in the row in 40, but now it is not changed when I sort these values. What is find and replace option? Find and replace option is a very helpful. Suppose I want to replace the values where 23 is situated in my sheet, press Ctrl F, then here is asking for find what. I enter here 23, I can find one by one, like 23, 23. I can also find it with just pressing find all key. It will show me all the cell address that where is situated, and it will also take me through add the cell when I press on this, like this. And what is replace option? Replace option is used to replace this word with this word, like I want to replace with this word, not with value. I just replace it with one by one, like this. We can also replace it once, like replace all. It's giving me a window box like Excel has completed research and has made 7 replacements. Thanks for watching. In next video I will show you all the option of insert tab, then page layout, then formulas, then some helpful option that you must know when you working in Excel. Thanks for watching.